This is Speediance, the most effective, intelligent, and personalized workout experience you need at home. Adjustable access points and smart accessories allow you to get full-body workouts without the hassle of changing machines. Expert-led workout programs and movement videos are installed and will be updated continuously for your full-body moves. All sorts of programs, including HIIT, boxing, and rowing, will be available. Speediance can provide correction suggestions for you during workouts, helping you achieve optimal results. With Speediance, you can say goodbye to metal plates. You can lift up to 220 pounds of digital weights and adjust the weight with the accuracy of 1 pound on your fingertips. Smart handles and controller also enable you to adjust the weight during workouts. Safety will always come first. Our patented assisting mode will automatically lessen the weight when you reach your limit and might get hurt. It also automatically tracks every rep, set, range of motion, power, time under tension, and volume to adjust your training plan accordingly. Your training results will be quantified and optimized. Taking less than 3.2 feet squared once folded, it can easily fit into your living room. Speediance, empowering with passion.